Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Phil Fashion House, and in today's video we're learning how to make this simple easy cowl neck top. Okay, this is something you can make under 20 minutes. It doesn't take much time and it's also beginners friendly. So this is something you love to watch. Please stay to watch the end of this video. Do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get straight into the video. So now this is how you can take your measurement. You start from one side of the bone neck, okay, and measure to the length, that is how deep you want your cowl for to be. You measure all the way to the next bone neck. In my own case I have 37 inches. That is what I have in my own case. And the next measurement you'll be needing is your round neck. If you want to put that collar, okay, at the neck, so you need your round neck measurement. In my own case I have 13 inches, and also the length of the top. In my own case I have 24 inches. So this top that I just made, I made it based on illustration. Okay, so if you want to make a normal one, so you know what to do and how to do it, you can cut a facing for it. Okay, so this is the fabric I have. It's not even up to 1 yard of fabric. So the length of the top 24, that is 25 inches total. Then the width is going to be 38 inches total. The 1 inches I added extra is going to be for the folding allowance. So the next we're going to do is to go ahead and fold it in this way, all the whole 4 corners, that is the length, and also for the width. Fold it into 4 corners, but if you have a facing, you just have to use your face and do that. So this is the length of the belt I'm going to be using, and in this case I just used 20 inches for the length, and this is how it is. It is 6 inches by wide, so folding it into 2 is going to give you 3 inches. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to close one side and all the way, just the one I'm directing you guys in this video. So this one is going to be for the collar. Like I said, I have 13 inches for the collar, but I'm going to make a total of 14 inches. That is 1 inch for the joining as well. Close the two sides and also just measure at least 1.5 inches and leave it open a bit. And measure the other from 1.5 inches, leave it open a bit. And also after that point, that 1.5 inches, the other side, they have to be closed. Before the end of this video, when we're going to attach the collar, you see the reason why we left those sides open. So I've gone ahead to fold the fabric. Just as you can see, I folded the 4 corners, the width, and also for the length. And now this is the cowl neck. Like I said, this is just for illustration. Okay, so this is the cowl neck. So this is the collar. I've gone ahead to join the side that I need to join. So that 1.5 inches, that's why we left open. I'm going to insert this collar neck in it, the top neck. Just watch closely what I'm doing and how I'm inserting it. This is how you are going to do it. That's why we measured 1.5 inches from the beginning and left a bit side open. So do the same thing on the other side. The next thing, this is the belt. We're still going to go ahead and attach the belt. So first of all, I'm going to fold in some pieces, like I'm going to fold it in a bit, then insert it this way and top stitch it. But if you are using a face, like a full complete facing, the same measurement for the top, like the full complete facing, that means you have to put this inside. It's going to be very neat. Like I said earlier, this is for illustration purpose. Okay, so what if you're using facing, it's going to be more neater than this. Everything, the rough seam, everything is going to be inside. So after that, this top is completely ready. The only thing remaining is just put the hook at the back of the collar, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and also comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. If you have any part you did not understand, let me know in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Bye.